My name's Stephen Maughan. I'm president of Demco Automation, a manufacturer of robotics and automation for various industries. We're located in eastern Pennsylvania, right in the Quakertown School District.
Since 1989, Demco Automation has been delivering custom manufacturing and top-notch technologies to customers in the United States and many other places around the world. They will get to the point of what your business needs.
Yeah, so basically this just makes electrical components to be used in other machines. Like, as you can imagine, there's all sorts of purchase parts from these different companies, so they need to be assembled. And when they're making a lot of it, it makes sense to have a machine do these simple processes instead of having people, just sit there and do these mundane tasks.
Demco Automation develops advanced processes for high-technology industry sectors that enable their partners to realize their years of great expertise in manufacturing. These products and systems drive the competitive advantage required in today's fast-paced manufacturing environment.
To take these stations after the engineer designs them and actually assemble the station, put it into the machine, debug it, and ship it. That's my job. Pretty much put it together. Any problems, I usually will go over with the engineer to see if there's any changes that have to be made.
Demco's automation core constituency in their design, development, and manufacturing of custom automation equipment for controls, for assembly, testing, inspecting, and packaging small parts. Demco has high standards to make customers very satisfied. I hope you enjoyed our tour.